What separates BAS from lots of competitors? This does, gentlemen. Check it out. Mark II Saloon. This is an automatic with an organ pedal. It's lots of variations of this file, or a few variations. So we picked the right one for the order. This is a chocolate brown. It's a custom color in this particular case, but a nice looking color. I believe it's opalescent gold or bronze, the car, so it should look good. Anyway, this is a demonstration of our cutter machine in use cutting this carpet set. So we've got the right file up. First thing to do, turn on the motor. That sucks the vacuum down. This carpet is being held down by this vacuum, very powerful vacuum that holds the plastic down. We then jog this into position and check to see if the carpet's straight. Come in and we press the button. And that's it. My job is over. It never fails to put a smile on my face watching this machine operate. This is the front mat, driver's side. Before this, we used to hand cut these, very time consuming, difficult work. The machine makes it a lot easier, obviously. And we get the absolute accuracy and we get best yield for material. So it's a win all the way. It's the big inner sill covers, inner rocker covers. Well, look at it plotting. As it cuts, it bolds the piece. So now that becomes bold. Now it's the second sill, slightly different shape. And when it comes to the end of this, it'll become bold. Done. Cut. On to the next one. Rear mats. Isn't it beautiful? You can see why I like looking at this. And the best thing is it never asks for lunch break. Never complains. Perfect employee. It's also an American-made machine, made in Connecticut. A company called Gerber. Beautiful machine. I'm running out of battery on the camera, so I think you may see the end of this cut, but I think you guys can get the picture from here. The gearbox sides. I'll just lift one of the pieces off that we finished with this. There's the mat. Look how this cut around the paddle. Just perfectly, and then we just pick up the pieces, goes to the sewing department. Those two little pieces at either side on the rear seat. Okay, we'll start by looking at the carpet for the Mark II. 100% wool cloth imported. 100% Wilton wool carpet imported from the UK. 5 to 6 millimeter pile, latex rubber backed. Bound in vinyl exactly as original. You can see how beautifully our guys here bind this exactly as original. The Storvik heel pad, which is the plain plastic that was used. There's a couple of variations for the Mark II. We have, again, the early cars have Hardura in the heel pads and a two-piece mats, and we have, again, every variation. The Wilton wool carpet is available in 13 colors, and some of the pieces are not bound. This is the piece for the side of the gearbox, passenger side, inner rocker covers. I mean, it's every single piece is there. And we went through the underfelt set here. You can see, again, it's all cut. Everything that was original to the car is included. The rubberized felt, which is otherwise known as Hardura. This is this product here, again, beautifully bound, and that's for the trunk set. None of our kits, none of our competitors, nobody in the business includes instructions for the kits. We do offer unlimited tech support. We want our product to look at its very best, so you're welcome to call with any questions that you have as you go. It's a bit overwhelming when you first lay everything out, but you soon eliminate pieces like a giant jigsaw puzzle, work your way through it. We do always recommend for the best results professional installation, but there are a lot of things that a good home restorer can do. With that, I'll talk a little more about the services we offer on the next episode where we look at the seats.